Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Isa lang po itong madali ang video po para po sa reaction or comment po sa statement na ginawa ng asawa ni Paulo Tontoca. But before that, nag-ano po ako, you may be surprised na nawala pang Facebook ko ng saglit kasi po nag-deactivate at nag-reactivate po ako. Kasi naka-shadowban po kasi ako. So, someone told me pag mag-deactivate at i-reactivate ko after 15 hours, babalik daw po ito sa normal, mawawala daw po ang shadowban. So, yun po ang ginawa ko. Ngayon, when I opened my Facebook account, marami po akong nakitang mga messages correcting my previous post that got reported for some reason. I don't know why they reported it. So, basically, may legend po pala doon sa sa medical examiner's report. So hindi ko po 'yun nakita. So thank you so much po sa sa correction. I really do appreciate that. So going to the statement of the wife of Paulo Tontoca, nakakapanglumo po talaga mga pangyayari. It's really disheartening. It's because they're really adamant on protecting Lisa Tanas and the Bangagan administration. It's really obvious what they're doing, if you have read the statement that was made by his mom, I was so weirded out po on how the narrative was played in the statement Parang wala po talaga siyang pagdidepensa sa anak niya. More on defending po talaga yung statement ng mama niya kay Lisa Tanas. Isn't that weird? Aren't you guys weirded out sa statement ng mama niya? Which coincided din naman sa statement ng ginawa ng asawa ni Paulo. Isn't that strange? Instead of defending the person who died from effects of Coca-Cola, mas pinili nilang depensahan si Lisa Tanas. I don't blame them. Kasi po, nabasa ko po kasi yung may post po somewhere sa Facebook na history po ng family between the Tantocos and the Marcoses. So I will not go into detail about that post kasi mahanap nyo po kasi talaga siya. Nandyan lang po siya sa Facebook. Yun na nga po. This is a classic misdirection Ito ito na lang ang isipin nyo Ikaw na asawa, hindi alam ng mga tao na nag-trip kayo dyan. Di alam ng mga tao. Pero you have a choice to let everyone know that, no, hindi ako nagdodrogas. Hindi ako tumitira. Pero, you chose to admit to everyone publicly that you're doing drugs. So this is a classic blame it on the fall guy. Ginawang fall guy ang asawa. And to think you're an appointed official. Grabe, no? Yan lang yan ang isipin nyo She admitted doing Coca-Cola and Mary Jane. Isn't that weird? Di ba kayo na-weirded out sa situation na to? Sa pag-admit ng asawa? Parang, obvious na obvious talaga na, okay, I'm gonna take the blame on everything just to save Lisa Tanas. Yung ganun, yung obvious na obvious talaga Ewan ko lang talaga kung saan na to papunta kasi it's what really happened there in Beverly Hilton versus the statement of the family members And they really know how to protect themselves, Alam talaga nila ilaro tong situation na to, Kasi alam nila, pag ilalatag namin ni Maharlika kung anong meron kami, posas kami. Ang hirap. Nakakapanglumo talaga. Hindi ko lang talaga maintindihan kasi sa mga nangyayari po, marami na po tayong marami na tayong evidence. Marami na tayong mga accounts proving na drug user talaga yung mag-asawa na yan. Yung si Bangag at saka si Lisa Tanas. Meron ang dami na. From Agent Morales to Cathy Binag, to what I know, to the information that I have. And plus, meron nang namatayan na kayo from Coca-Cola effects. Di ba? There's just far too many accounts, overwhelming accounts, proving na gumagamit yung mag-asawa na yan na nasa Malacanang. Why are we not mad about this? Why are we not doing anything about this? Why are we not demanding for both of them to do hair follicle test? Dapat galit tayo. Dapat hindi natin to tinitake as gossip lang. Hindi po ito sabi-sabi lang, hindi po ito gossip lang. Marami na pong accounts. Agent Morales, Cathy Binag, Maharlika, ako, ang dami na po. And I have nothing to gain po sa mga ginagawa ko po. Kasi hindi po ito hindi po monetize ang Facebook ko. I'm just telling you what I know. Bakit po tayo hindi nagagalit? May mga recordings pa, may mga clips, ang dami po. But I have to protect myself as well. Maharlika has to protect herself as well. But we are telling you what we know. Bakit hindi tayo galit? Bakit wala tayong ginagawa? Now, I really don't know what's going to unfold in the next couple of days, weeks, or months. Because remember that first time na this issue blew up, way back March, everybody was saying na, oh, nagpapapansin lang yan, mga fake news yan, si Maharlika at si Dean Chase. And then, the coroner's report came out. So, I really am banking on what Attorney Trixie said, that facts and truths are time-bound. So, I guess we'll just have to wait, in the next couple of days on what's going to happen. But I'm sure something will happen. I'm sure a major break will be released. So that's it, I guess. God save the Philippines.